PlayStation recently refreshed their controller lineup with some brand new color options. Let's unbox the DualSense Wireless Controller in Chroma Indigo together. So this is one of 3 new color options, launching alongside Chroma Pearl, which is available now, and Chroma Teal, which drops January 23rd, 2025. As you can see, depending on how the light catches this controller, it just looks absolutely gorgeous, shifting between a intense blue and a really deep purple. Sony has dropped some pretty cool color combos for the PlayStation 5 controller since they first released, and next to Volcanic Red, I do believe this would be my personal favorite. And just in case you didn't know, DualSense controllers can be used with other things, not just PlayStation 5. For example, I do a lot of gaming on my Mac, both MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and iMac, as well as on my phone. So you can pair this with a controller clip, so you can play along with this new controller and your existing phone, or you can pair it with your laptop or computer. So that was the quick unboxing of the brand new Chroma Indigo PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. Let me know what you think in the comments.